This light here is connected to the battery and it's pretty bright. So I think I still have battery. I'm not a positive, but I think I have battery. The RV won't start. If you look here, I go to start it. Nothing. It doesn't turn over. The gen in the brake light come on like they're supposed to, that you would expect. I have energy go into the stereo. But it won't turn over.
Oh, the day I break these chains, I'm bound for the life of the simple things.
It's quite strange. If you look at the light, when I go to turn it over, it dims a little, but not a lot. You can see that I do have headlights, and they're not completely dim. They have a decent amount of juice there. Okay guys, I also tried here to move the column. So I did have 2 nights ago, I did have a problem with it not starting. I went to move the column and it started. I don't know if the shift column is what let it start, if I just got lucky, but it did start when I moved the shift column. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now to show you guys. What the heck? That's so weird. Notice anything weird? Look at the temp light.
Yeah, it goes up.
I think we have a real weird electrical thing going on. Catalina, push on the brake one more time. Look guys, I don't know if you can see it. Maybe you can see how when we push on the brake, the temp meter goes all crazy. I don't really know what it is yet, but I don't think it's just plain the battery not having juice, because I have headlights. I have a pretty bright light here that runs off the battery. When I go to shift and go to use the ignition on it, the headlights don't dim too hard, but it won't turn over. We tried having it jumped. Having somebody try to jump us didn't help at all. So
Twice.
yeah, and we did that twice. So we're at kind of a loss right now. If we can figure it out, we'd like to avoid having to basically, if we can figure it out, we'd like to avoid having to call AAA for something like this, since we only can use it I think 3 or 4 times in a year. I'm going to upload this video to you guys, and maybe you guys can come up with some answers while I then go and disconnect the battery and walk it over to the AutoZone to see if maybe there's a dead cell in the battery or something. Get out there, connect with people, live your big story.
Make sure you do something every single day to reduce road surge.
Peace, guys.
Peace and love.
And I tell you all about it when I see you again. We come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all of